everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, The Crazy Cousins, JD and Anna. As you know, it was recently Christmas, but not Christmas anymore. Happy New Year! And I got a lot of Christmas presents, and as you know, I've done a Lego video before. So, as one of my Christmas presents, I'm going to be making another Lego set, which is this. This is the Ninjago Lego set Lloyd's Jungle Chopper Bike. It is recommended for ages 7 and up, but good, I make the cut. And the characters has in it is this weird looking purple dude. Don't know who he is. Nia and Lloyd. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have bag 1. I have bag 2, a giant wheel, some stickers, and the instruction manual. Okay, let's start. And open bag 1. First things first, of course, I need to make Lloyd, of course, the main ninja of this whole set. It's called Lloyd's Jungle Motorbike. So let's make Lloyd. Okay, we have our Lloyd. He has a golden sword, a mask, and I love what they did to his hair because it used to be just plain old blonde hair, but then they have to put like kind of like a ribbon around it. He has a sword carrier and a sword, and of course he has his ninja outfit. Okay, put Lloyd right there, and next it tells me to do, oh wow. Next, it tells me to make the little purple dude. So I'll make him. Like, he got like a face. And he got like no face. He got some big teeth too. Oh my gosh. Apparently he never pulled out his tooth. Oh my gosh, it's a really long spear. You guys can't tell from here, but the spear is taller than him. You have this like gem thing? Oh, I know what this is. If you watch the new season of Ninjago, you know that this is the storm gem, I think. He also has a shield. What an odd looking shield. If I can find the shield. There it is, got like a weird print on it. I can barely see anything from here. It's called, you have to get the whole table in the picture. Okay, and we have him. Now we have both of our characters. We'll start on the motorbike. Woo! Yikers. Okay. Okay, we have our first template. I think that's what it's called, right? Never mind. And I'll start building. Okay, part 1 done. This is the final results of part 1. And now we'll get bag 2. Let's open it up. Oh. And now I'll start. First, it says we need to work on Nia. That's nice, right? Nia's like the best. My favorite Ninjago girl character. I'll bet you only is a favorite Ninjago girl character. Except there is Skylar with fire. No, fire. She's like take out people's powers girl. And then there's also, where are her legs? Here they are. And there's also Pixel, but I really like Nia. Okay, now I'll get started on the motorcycle. I actually just noticed, but there's more to Nia that I forgot to put on. Hee silly me. Though not silly me, since I forgot it. She has a sword and a silver sword and a sword holder, just like he does. And then she has her own signature gold weapon like he does too. If I can find it. There we are. He had like a little tassel. And she has like this double-sided sword thing. Put her over here with the rest of them. And now we'll get started. Now we'll actually get started on the motorbike. Okay, guys, I'm about taking this out of the bag. About to put on the flag. Big momentous part here in the Lego creation. I mean, not really helping enough, but. Ugh! Just do that! No, use my teeth. I can't get it open. And more, honestly, when I do, oh, I got it open! When I do Legos, my hands get really sweaty. But anyway. Attachment. Attaching it. And finally, adding it on. Thing can even shoot. It's amazing. Anyway. And I am finished. Okay, guys, I'm finished. We have Mia, Lloyd, creepy purple guy, our bike, and the storm gem? Something like that. Anyway, watch Ninjago build Legos. It's all fun. And I hope you guys have a great day, or morning, or night. I hope you hit the like button, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
That's all, folks.